mag-create ako ng, I will request Secretary Anyo to assign maraming bago na he give them about 2 months of lectures and training about labor laws and about crime, how to, the law of arrest, search, and seizure lang naman yan. Yan lang naman ang the law of arrest, search, and seizure. Yan lang ang kailangan ng pulis. Wala nang iba. And I would be glad to, kasi nag-lecturer ako noon sa Police Academy sa Davao. If you can arrange one day kung ma-constitute na sila, and I will give the same lecture about half the day so that preparado sila, hindi sila takot. Alam mo,